And so what we see here is pretty much spider webs and gasoline. See right here, gas. And see right here, all this right here, liquid. It's all gas. So little by little, gas was seeping out right here, down here. And then if you look on the side of the tire, back here, in the tank, right there, you can see a wet spot right there. But most likely, this might have to be a replacement because it's not normal for gas to come out of the gas pump. Okay, I just wanted to record this because I found out where the gas leak is at. As you can see right here, this black crack right here, that's where the gas is leaking from. I believe right there, somewhere right there. I'm gonna wipe it, and then you're gonna see the gas come out slowly from there. See, on the video, you should be able to capture it or see it. See that? So that's where my gas leak is at. So we're gonna remove these caps. Was a 10mm socket. This one and that one, because what we're gonna try to do is remove this part. And in order to remove the one on the driver's side, there's 2 or 3 hoses going that way, so we have to unplug it from that side so we can release this side. So let me unscrew this real quick, and then I'm going to show you on the inside. It has a little grommet right here, so you can just pull this off and you'll be able to see in here. As you can see, it's all wet, full of gas, and dangerous. Okay, now we're down here. I just unplugged this one right now. This plug that goes here. It has 2 little push buttons on each side. Just push it and pull up. That's how you take this one off. I'm gonna clean this all up so I could take this this whatever old seal ring off. We have to hit it off with some type of hammer and a flathead or a Phillips. But I'm gonna try to dry up all the fuel as possible because I don't want no spark and nothing lighting up. These are the tools I'm using, a metal hammer, but I'm hitting it against a plastic flathead, as you can see, so it won't create no spark. And I'm using the yellow rag to put there. And what I'll do, or what I did, is got the yellow rag. I seen where I needed a hit. I needed a hit right here. So I got the yellow rag and put it right there. And then I just started hitting the flathead this way. So if you're working on the driver's side, you have to hit towards the seat, the back seat. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. So I'm gonna just do this one real quick. It will be fast forward, but this is the same thing you do on both sides. So I recommend everyone getting this tool. It's a loaner from AutoZone. Here's the number for it, and I'm gonna remove my fuel pump with this tool. Because banging it on the passenger side is not gonna work because the pump has a spring action pushing up. So when you're trying to unscrew the top of it, it has pressure. So you're just gonna damage the rings. I'm gonna show you what I did on mine. I damaged mine, and I'll show you why I had to get this tool right here. It comes with everything you need, I guess. the little rubber hammer, tool to hit, and I don't know what else. I'm gonna just try to use it and see how it goes. So this is why we need the tool. So see how I was trying to bang it out, but I end up breaking these. This is why we need this tool. There we go. That's how you use this tool right here. This is a lifesaver. Yeah, so that's how I got this one out. So I recommend you guys renting the tool from AutoZone. It's just a loaner tool, so you'll give money to them, and then when they get their tool back, they'll pay you right back. So the part that I'm replacing looks like this. This is the part that goes onto the driver's side. So I'll have all this, the level sensor, all these hoses, and then this hose will connect to the passenger side. We'll have to and the other reason why I'm going to show you, they end up breaking these. The driver's side was easy, but this side was hard because this has tension. As you can see, there's tension. So when we're trying to hit it with a flathead, it's not going to work because that tension pushing against this was not letting me take it off. So here's this. This is what it looks like inside here, inside the tank. So there's one hose right here. There's another one in the back right here, right there, and then there's this one. So these two are the returns, and then this is for the pump to push onto the other side. Those are the two. Oh, we need to take this one off and unclip these so we could take the other side off and connect those three hoses all the way over here onto the side. Okay, at this time I unplugged the breather valve that connects right here. The hose is right here. There's a little U-clamp that goes over here and clamps through or pushes through. You have to pop it out and pull. You have to pull it by separating it by pulling it. I got the hose that goes to the pump unplugged and disconnect the two return lines that just clip onto these switches right here. So now I have all this loose over here. Pretty much now I have to go on that side. This is the driver's side. I already took it off. I already unplugged it. No. I'm gonna go on the other side and make sure everything's cleared. I got the hoses out. So these are the three hoses that I disconnect. Now it's time to put the new one in. Now I'm gonna fish this one back down that way. So before I do that, I'm gonna take this off right here, so it doesn't fall inside the tank. So before I put this in there, I'm gonna go see if it went through to the other side. Okay, everything is on the other side. Everything fit through. So time to put everything back. And before I do this, before I close it, I'm gonna have to replace these seals. The parts come with the new ones. Now on this side, the hoses are over here. See the new hoses? They're right here. With the brown and red wire, will go connected to this side with the springs. So the first thing I put back are those two hoses, the black and clear one. I just connected them where they go. The next one I'm gonna connect is the fuel pump connection. It's gonna be this one with the green tab. I'm gonna connect that one in there. And then I'm just gonna put everything back together. Let me try to push it in there. Lock it into place. There, you hear that little click? So now it's in there. And now we're pretty good. On this one, I broke the tab that connects right here, that locks it in place. So just be careful when you're taking off this breather line. Little plastic thing goes right here, and there's only one spot right here that it could connect to. So pretty much this pump's gonna twist and it sits in place. So right here is a little connection where it sits right here into place and it locks in. So as you can see how everything's lined up, and then now I'll be able to screw this in. And it's the same thing on the other side. I'll connect in it right there. So remember this plate, I was putting it in backwards, I wasn't paying attention. The outside pops up, it comes up this way, and it sits in place, because this gives it enough room so the breathing tube or whatever the hell this is can fit. Because if you do it this way, you're never going to get it in there. So make sure you have it this way, and then you'll be able to get it in there. So I'm gonna turn on the car and test it. The car turns on. Servo light on. I'm not worried about that. I'm gonna check for any. Oh, the engine light's not on, so that's a good thing. We just need to reset these ones. So the car is running. Everything turned out normal. I'm gonna have to drive it around and test it out. But most likely everything is good, or else the car would not have started.